Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to create an Apple ID now. Open Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac and tap Sign In or Create Apple ID. Enter your name and birth date, because Apple uses age to enable services and privacy settings. Once done, type a memorable, strong password and confirm it. This protects iCloud, purchases, and backups. Make sure to add a recovery email or phone. This is crucial to regain access if you forget credentials later. Continue by verifying your email and phone. Apple sends a code to confirm ownership, so check inbox or messages and enter it immediately. Next, enable two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. You'll need a trusted device or phone number for codes. Once authenticated, review iCloud sync choices and toggle what you want backed up, like photos and contacts. Also confirm payment and billing details or choose none. This ensures purchases and subscriptions work without interruption. Finish by signing into all your devices with the new Apple ID and enabling iCloud services you rely on. Backups, photos, and Find My are top priorities. Make sure family sharing and subscriptions are correctly linked so purchases and storage roll over as expected. Finally, set up a recovery contact and verify trusted devices for account recovery. If you ever get locked out, use the recovery contact or start Apple's account recovery. Be prepared to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.